All right, let's learn some division. So, when you are teaching children division using Cuisenaire, what you're going to do is you teach them how to read this, 10 divided by 5, but what they're going to ask themselves is, how many 5s are in 10? And so, they'll get out a 10 rod. How many 5s are in that 10? Well, let's see. There's 1 5. And another 5. Well, there are 2 5s in 10, so the answer is 2. All right, here's another example. 12 divided by 2. We're going to ask ourselves, how many 2s are in 12? So first, we get out 12. There's a 10 and a 2. That's 12. And then we find out, how many 2s make up the same length as 12. How many 2s are in 12? And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2s are in 12. Children will begin to also notice other things. They will see, well, hey, 5 2s are in 10. So that means if I want to know how many 2s are in 12, I'm just going to add 1 more 2. So it's 6 2s. And so again, Cuisenaire will build more number sense in children, and things will begin to come together for them. Instead of only being symbols on paper, they will begin to intuitively understand how numbers work because of these little guys right there. 24 divided by 6, we are going to say how many 6s are in 24. So, here's our 24. We have 10, 10, and 4. And we're going to get out some 6s and find out how many 6s are in 24. So we line them up, and we see that the answer is 4. There are 4 6s in 24. Another thing you can do when teaching division is to teach children that it means that you have given them what's inside a rectangle, and you've given them one side of it. You want to know what the other side is. So, here's our rectangle. You've given children what the area is. The whole amount is 24. And you've given them one side. It's 6. You want them to tell you what is the other side. The other side is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all division is. 24 divided by 8. So we are asking how many 8s are in 24. Here's 24. How many 8s are in it? 1, 2, 3. And children will begin to see and recognize that, hey, this looks just like when I did 3 of 8, or 3 times 8 equals 24. It's the same picture. And so they begin to understand that multiplication and division are inverse operations without you needing to tell them that.